How to upload digital prints on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload digital prints on Etsy to sell online. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to etsy.com and you will get on this marketplace right here. Etsy allows us to sell a lot of different products. We can sell physical products in different niches such as jewelry and accessories. We have clothing and shoes, home and living, wedding and party, toys and entertainment, art and collectible, and much more. When it comes to Etsy, we can also sell our digital products, and it's actually one of the categories that does pretty well on Etsy. We can sell our digital product, for instance, a wall art or a digital planner for $30, $20 per planner or so. So, how to actually upload digital files on Etsy and create your account? So, let's get into it. First, you need to actually log into your Etsy account. Once you have logged in, then you're gonna go to your store and click on create a new listing. So once you click on create new listing, it will take you right here. This is our main window where we upload our products. So if you already upload your physical products, then you will be quite similar with the process. But when it comes to uploading a digital product, there are going to be some differences. So let me show you how to actually upload a digital product on Etsy. First of all, the first option is photos. So to create a listing, we need to add some photos of our digital product that we are creating. But the problem is we cannot add the photo of a digital print that we created. For instance, I have a wall art that I want to sell on Etsy. I cannot just upload the image because people will just download the image and then print it. So we don't want that. We want to make sure that it's secure and we have the rights to our art. So for that, we actually create mock-up images for Etsy, and we can upload up to 10 photos here. So I'm gonna quickly do that. So you can see I have uploaded these two mock-up images that I actually created with Canva for free. There is already a video on the channel if you want to learn how to create mock-up images like this for your digital art. So you can see I have these two images, and this is my art right here. If I just kind of zoom in and show you what it looks like, you can see this is a mock-up image of my wall art. This is my main wall art that I am selling today. So I will be uploading this file. This is a digital file. Now I'm going to scroll down to the next step, which is going to be the thumbnail. We can also add a thumbnail here. We can adjust a thumbnail a little bit too. It's way up there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually zoom in a little bit and place it here. Perfect. Click on save and thumbnail will be adjusted. So this is the main thumbnail that people will be able to see. Moving on, we're gonna scroll down to videos. So if you want to upload a video of your digital product, you can do that. It totally depends on what kind of product you are selling. So you will add a video. We have size of 100 MB. Moving on, we have listing details. So some of the important options: name of your product, the title. So the title for my digital product that I'm selling is actually a wall art. So I'm just gonna enter wall art for now. Then we have about the listing. Who made it? I'm gonna go with I did. What is it? It's actually a finished product. And then when did you made it? I made it recently. We have vintage, and then we have recently options, and then we have made it to order as well. I'm gonna go with recent. And then we have categories. So in category, I'm gonna go with digital prints. And in digital prints, now we have digital prints and calendars and planners, guides on how to digital prints simply. Then we have wall art and decors. I'm gonna go with wall art here. And in shoppers, we can go with home and living, home decor, or wall decor. So I'm going to go with wall decor here. And we are getting some craft options too. For instance, like 3D printing, calligraphy, and more. So I'm not going to add these. Moving on, we have primary color and secondary color, width, height, and depth. So these are all options that are given here. So in primary, I can go with different colors here. And then in width and height, make sure to actually add it. And you can also select a unit. We have centimeters, feet, inches, meters, millimeters, and yards. Make sure to kind of select a unit as well, so that people will have a better idea that what is the size of the printable that they're getting. Sustainability, we have to select a sustainability here. And then we have style, occasion, celebration, and room as well. So you can select for what room you have actually created it. And you can select up to 5 rooms for it. But I'm not going to do that for now. Then we have renewable option, type, and description. Now these are the most important options when it comes to uploading a digital product on Etsy. First, we have automatic or manual. So what you're going to do is you're going to select, now it depends on you actually. If you want the Etsy to actually automatically renew your listing. So it will take $0.20 from you and it will do it. Or you can add manually. I'm gonna do manually. I'll just renew myself whenever it expires. And then we have type. So here we have physical, a tangible item that you will deliver to the buyers, and then we have a digital product. So this is actually a digital product that we are selling. Buyers will download this product. There is no shipping involved. There is no such thing as a delivery or anything. All we have to do is just upload our file in a PDF form so that people can print it. They will download it as well. And then we have description. So for now, I'm just gonna add the word wall art in description. Here you will of course add the description for your product. Then we have production partner. So in production partner, what you can do is you can add any partner if you have any. Etsy shop who helps you physically produce your items. So you can select I do not have any, and mostly in digital products we don't have any production partner. Sections, tags, and materials. These are all optional, but you can add up to 13 tags and 13 materials for your product. And then we have inventory and pricing. So you can add the pricing for your art, whatever you want to, cost for it. So I am selling my wall art for $12. And then we have quantity. So the quantity is going to be 1. And then we have SKU, the units that you have created. The buyers won't be able to see this, you will. So you can add the SKU too. And then we have personalization. If you feel like there are any personalized option and any information, if you have any, you give the personalization options. You can add the instructions here for buyers so that they can write here and you will be able to see them. But I do not have any personalization options, so I'm going to leave this. And then we have digital file. This is where you will upload your digital file that you want to sell. So all you need to do is click on upload file and select the file from your computer. In my case, we have this PDF file that I want to sell. So you can see it will be uploaded. We can upload up to 5 files on Etsy, and you will be able to see by adding files to this listing, you guarantee that you have rights to the content. Yes, I created myself. You can send customized note to buyers of digital item after the item is downloaded. So this is how you upload a digital file. So once it's done, you can scroll down to return and exchange. If you have any policies like that, you can select them from here and you will add them. So for me, there are no, return and exchange policies, so I'm going to leave it. So you can see here, I have uploaded my digital file and now buyers will be able to download it. This is how you create a digital product on Etsy. It's actually really easy. The main difference is going to be in the photos right here. Make sure to create mockups of your planner, of your digital product. Then we have a thumbnail. Then when it comes to selecting the product type, then you will select digital here. And at the bottom here, you will get the upload file option once you select digital product here. If you select physical, then you won't be able to see the upload file option. So you have to select digital here. Now Etsy knows you are selling a digital product, and then you will just upload it right here. You can see once it's uploaded, click on save and continue, and your listing will be created on Etsy. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Now you know how to upload digital prints on Etsy. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.